little artists. Welcome to the art world of MK. Today, we are going to paint something super fun, a cute bag. Are you ready? Grab your colors and let's get started. Before we start coloring, we need to draw the outline of our bag. Let's start by drawing a big rectangle. Now, let's add a curved handle on top, like a rainbow. Now, let's make it even cuter. I'm adding face to make it look more cute. You can also draw a little keychain, a bow, or even your name on it. Get creative. Take your time. If you need to, you can pause the video and catch up. Now comes my favorite part, coloring. I'm going to use a bright blue color for my bag, but guess what? You can use any color you love. Pink, yellow, green, make it your own special bag. Remember to color neatly and stay inside the lines. But don't worry if you go outside a little bit, art is all about having fun. Our adorable bag is all done. I love how it turned out. Now it's your turn, show me your painting. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun art, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new painting session. Keep creating, keep having fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.